Hi, I'm Dan Weinberger. I own Weinberger's Deli in Grapevine, Texas. Family business that's been around since 1952. We're a unique sandwich shop in the Metroplex. I've grown up in the business, became a chef, became a sandwich maker on a regular basis. In my shop daily, 7 days a week, morning, noon, night, on my feet, making sandwiches for the public. Years ago, I had a problem with one of my feet. I developed a callus of some sort. I went to a podiatrist to have it taken care of. He shaved the callus off, put my shoe back on, set me on my way. About a month later, I had the same problem, went back, had it shaved off. It happened 3 times. One day I was in my shop and I was in great pain, and fortunately Dr. Nichols' wife is one of my customers. And I'd asked her husband would have time to see me, and she said certainly, so I went over to the office, they got me in. He took off my shoe, looked at the problem, immediately went to work on it, shaved it. He asked me a question. He said, what size shoe do you wear? I said 9.5. And he said, well, you need a 10. And I looked at him and I was like, I've always worn a 9.5. He goes, well, your feet grow throughout your life, which I had no idea. And I was surprised that the first doctor had never mentioned that to me. I'd gone back to him 3 times. This time I go and get a size 10. Problem is alleviated and I never had it again. So one thing I do appreciate about Dr. Nichols is his honesty and his candor and his way of dealing with his patients. He's very straightforward, very helpful, and I've never had to go back to him for that issue. I have gone back to him for other issues. I actually had a hangnail that was pretty bad and pretty agonizing. Go to him and within 30-45 minutes in his office, nice conversation, talking while he's doing the procedure, I felt nothing. Bandaged my foot, I went home, felt great. I like Dr. Nichols.